Hi everyone, and welcome to this introduction to input in Python. Yes, we're going to get some information from our keyboard, put it into our computer programs. Very interesting. So I'm in Replit. If you're in my class, we're going to find my Replit classroom to do this. But if you just want to create a new REPL, you can just create a new REPL here to start programming. But my students, please try and find the classroom. You should click on student and you'll see the classroom. I'm going to click on teacher. And hopefully you will find this classroom. There we go. Or whatever classroom we're using, but that's how to find the classroom. And I'm just going to find in the list of units the input unit. And what I'm going to do is edit assignment. You don't need to do that. You should just get into the input assignment. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a variable called user, and I'm going to assign it some input. And I'm going to run the program, and nothing happens. Let's stop that. I've got a good idea. Why don't we display a message explaining what we want the user to do? So please enter your name. So here's a message, and then the user, we're going to type something on the keyboard and assign it to a variable. Okay? And then let's do print hello user. Okay, so let's run this and see what happens. So here's the message. Please enter your name. Now we're at this line of code here. The program is waiting for some input. So let's give it some input. And this data is going to be assigned to a variable. And we could store the data in the variable. And then we'll print out the result. Yay! Brilliant. Okay. So that's basically how input works in Python. Now, let's do it again. Let's continue the program. I'm going to ask for the user's age. So let's do that. Age equals, no, first of all, let's display a message. Print, how old are you? And then let's get some data from the keyboard. And then let's print a message. Okay, so we're going to get the name, ask for the name, get the name, display the name. We're going to ask for the user's, not range. Where did that come from? Age. We're going to ask for the age, we're going to get the age, then we're going to display a message. Let's see if that works. Please enter your name. Hello, John. How old are you? I'm going to lie. I'm going to say I'm 21. John, you are 21 years old. Great news. Okay. Now we're going to do a little bit of maths. So the maths is going to be age. Let's make a new variable. Age in months equals age multiplied by 12. Okay, so this will tell me how many months old I am, approximately. And then let's print a message. That means you are age in months old. So I'm going to get the name, the username. I'm going to get the age, I'm then going to display the name and the age. I'm then going to do a calculation using the age number, age multiplied by 12, and assign that to a variable so we can keep it in the program. And then we're going to display the result. So let's run this and see if it works as planned. Please enter your name. How old are you? That means you are what? I don't even know how to say that number. I'm this months old. I'm not dead yet. This is incredible. I must be the oldest person on planet Earth. What is going on? Well, what's going on is this data here, which is the age data, 21. This is 21. And I'm multiplying that by 12. So check this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 21s there. So the issue is, when I asked, how old are you? And I typed 21 into the keyboard, Python doesn't know that 21 is a number. It just thinks it's text coming from the keyboard. It doesn't understand that it's a number. So I need to convert age to be a number. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use another function called int, and I'm going to send it my age data. So this converts this thing here, age, to be an integer. An integer just means a whole number. And I need to update the original variable with the new information. So I'm going to convert age to be a number, and I'm going to assign that information back to the age variable. I don't need to create a new variable to do this. I'm just going to use one variable to represent the age. The only thing is, I have to convert that data to be an integer. So now if I run my program, please enter your name, John. That is text. I don't need to convert that to be an integer. That's just text. Hello, John. How old are you? 21. Now it's going to do the conversion. When I hit enter, it's going to convert that to a number, and it's going to tell me that I am 252 months old. So can you create a short computer program and ask the user to input some things about themselves? Maybe their name, maybe their age, maybe their hometown, maybe their weight and their height. Ask the user to input some information and then display it in sentences when you run the program.